Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 12 here on season
Dad?
2. Yes. Your face is dirty. What were you eating?
A brownie.
A brownie?
And then I was going to the dog park. It's got poop. But when you go to the different dog park, have no poop.
Okay. Anyways, today we are getting into Ellis Earth Bar's Treasure Bar.
Chocolate.
This is the peanut butter crunch and caramel version. Chocolate
What?
goodness certified
What?
organic candy bar.
What?
Candy. It's a candy bar.
What?
What do you think about that?
I think that is candy.
It's
But-
candy.
But candy is not healthy.
It's not healthy, you're right. But do you want to try this first, or should we tell them about it?
I'll try this first.
Like always. Like always, right? Alright, let's go ahead and open it then. Probably right there, like that. Okay.
It's going to be taste good. I didn't.
Do you think that we should just break it in half, or do you think we should save some for Mom?
I'm gonna break it in half.
Okay. Okay, there's your part. What? Hey! We didn't count!
I'm gonna eat this.
Just that little part? Have you ever had one of these before?
No.
No? Because I know that you're pretty sneaky about eating these.
No.
Okay, anyways, ready? 3. How about you count down this time?
3, 2, 1, go.
Go!
Mmm.
That one's pretty good.
I feel like yucky. Actually, last night actually yuck was a different one.
It's like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Do you know what a Reese's peanut butter cup is?
Yeah.
Okay.
The reason peanut cup is about who get in the peanut butter. The cup.
Okay, so what it is it got a little bit of caramel on the top layer right here. And then it's got peanut butter all along here. It's like that peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter filling. Similar to that. I would say it's not exactly the same. And it seems like it's got a little bit of like toffee in there also. And then covered by the milk chocolate. It is literally like, I haven't had a candy bar in forever. So this is probably the best candy bar that I've had.
Hey! It's got chocolate on the peanut.
It does, you're right.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why. So do you think that this is a buy or a trash?
A buy.
It's a buy? Well, why don't you tell them why do you think it's a buy?
Because it's a buy and then you really need to buy it.
That's plain and simple. You just need to buy it. If you're looking at buying these things, they retail for about $2.29. I don't know
That's right.
What?
Last night I played cars.
You did. I know. That's what you will play cars a lot.
I make a big.
One day you should tell them.
I make a big long track and it's up and down and then the track go down to the train track and then the cars go down, zoom, and then they pop off.
Okay. So anyways, these chocolate bars are organic, vegan, which if they're organic, that means that they're non-GMO. I just think that they're not part of the non-GMO project.
Daddy, last night I played tag with you.
And then I also believe that they're reasonably sourced or sustainably sourced. Yes, you played tag with me last night? That's awesome. By the way, 5% of the purchase actually goes towards supporting children.
And then I tell you like that.
I know. So I don't know specifically what that means, but you could check out their website. I'll post a link in the actual comments. You can go ahead and check them out.
Daddy, last night I played hide and seek with my friends.
That's awesome. Each bar contains about 240 calories, 140 calories from fat. There are dairy-free. The chocolate is like rice milk, cocoa powder, cocoa paste, almond milk, peanuts, evaporated cane juice, cocoa butter, brown rice syrup, tapioca flour, sea salt.
Daddy?
Yes.
You need broke some for my mom.
Yeah, that's what I got this piece for. So you can eat that. Yeah, this is Mom's piece. Do you want to do a question of the day today? No. They can't see you, you know that? Like I was saying though, if you have any questions regarding stash, acorns, ramen, hard, as well as general investing advice,
Daddy!
business, Etsy coaching, post some questions down below.
Daddy!
Until next time, don't forget to subscribe up here and check out our other videos right here. There's another video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Daddy, I was really, really loud.